Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you a few different ways that you can draw spider lines on your Bitcoin chart to find significant levels of support and resistance. If you follow CryptoFace on YouTube or Twitter, you've probably seen or heard him talk about spider lines, and it's pretty crazy how well they actually work considering this isn't a technique that is reproducible anywhere else. From my understanding, this only works on Bitcoin and only works in this specific area. And as you can see, this does provide us with some very significant levels of support and resistance. So I'll be showing you how you can plot these spider lines on your chart, because they can be a very powerful tool, especially when you use them in combination with some of your other indicators. So, like I said, there are a few different ways that you can draw these spider lines, and they're going to look different depending on a couple of factors, like if you are using Heikin Ashi or normal candles, and if you are on log scale or not. So I recommend drawing lots of spider lines, changing up those factors, and maybe sorting them into separate groups. Like, for example, here I have spider lines I use when I'm not on log scale. And then these ones, if I turn on log scale, you can see that these ones fit much better for log scale. Really, you just have to draw a lot of them, try it out, and see which ones work the best. So the way that you draw these spider lines, first off, you have to be on the weekly candle. Like I said, you can be on Heikin Ashi or regular candles, but they are going to be slightly different. And you're going to want to come back to the 2018 bear market for Bitcoin and go over to the toolbar, the second one down, and you're going to want to select the ray tool here. You're going to want to place the start of the ray as close to the body of these candles as you can, and then you're going to rest this on the first candle that it touches up here, and you can adjust it a little bit if you need to. And already, just with that one that I drew, you can see we actually just bounced off of this one. And you can make these lines from anywhere up here all the way down here, and even in this dip area down here, because depending on if you are on log scale or not, the ones down here might work better than the ones up here. And I know that this can be a little tedious, but it only takes a few minutes. Once it starts getting too crowded in here and it's getting hard to see where the body of the candle is, you can group these ones up over here and then go ahead and hide those. And then you can start making some more and then add those ones into the group once you have them placed, just by dragging them in like that. So I'm not gonna make many more of these. I'm actually gonna delete those because I already have the ones that I'm using right now drawn up already. So I think it's a good idea to have these spider lines saved up in a group somewhere, maybe on a separate Bitcoin chart that you don't use, because at moments when it looks like we are going to keep dumping forever, a lot of times seems like these spider lines have saved us with some heavy support. And when we're pumping up, we find resistance at these levels as well. So all in all, I think these spider lines can be a very good indicator to add to your tool belt. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I really appreciate the support, it means a lot. And I will see you all on Thursday for my next video. Peace out.